Okay, so there's these little parts here. Let's cut these off. 1 and 2. Alright, so there's A long and then B short, and it's for some reason there's only one short B one. So calls for 2 long ones right now, so I'll go ahead and cut these off. The runners now. There. Okay. So this apparently goes in like this, and then this goes in here. Oh geez, maybe I might need the hammer here. Might need it. Okay, I lightly hammered these pins into place. Now, what I want to do is, I'm looking at the instructions here, get the tires out. These are fairly nicely detailed tires. They say Goodyear Rally GT on them. Okay, so obviously the words go on the outside, and these must pop into place somehow, like that. Great. Okay, and then the hubcaps, the chromed hubcaps, pop into place then, on top. That looks nice. Let's do the other one. So, Goodyear tires. Pop that into place. Take another hubcap. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. And then it would look like, okay. There's a little steering mechanism here. Let's unfold this a little bit. And that's what this part here is. Okay. So, okay, this goes like that. It sticks into place like so. And, for example, I think this goes here. And this pops into place here. And, it doesn't look like I hammered the piece into place quite enough. Let me take this off real quick. Looks like this needs to come off. I'm gonna get my hammer again. Make that a little bit snugger. Well, maybe it's not gonna be perfect. Okay. Let's look at this other one. Yeah, I think they're about the same. Where'd this other piece go? Here it is. Come on, there we go. And then this fits into here. There. Okay. So it's clicky. Weird. Huh. Well, at least if you want it to go in circles, it's not gonna straighten out by accident and run into the wall or something. Okay. Now onto the back tires. Let's find out why exactly the back tire is, one of these is shorter than the other one. It's gotta be kind of strange. Okay, so we got a couple of little washers. Okay. Let's cut this guy off. Okay, stay tuned. Okay. Now this part goes through here, and this is where the motor drives the car. So these sprockets fit together somehow. There. And the washer, here it is, goes in here, there, and then we got the fat one. I see why the one is longer than the other. That makes sense. Okay. And get in there, sucker. There, it's tight. Okay. Now. Yuck. There. Gosh. Smeg. There. I don't have it on backwards. Okay, good. That would suck. Alright, and then one more hubcap. Here they are. Done. Ka-chow. Cool, huh? Alright, now for the last one. Oh, there's the instructions. Here we go. Okay, so this is short because it's already got this wheel thingy. This sprocket in place. Sprockets. Sprockets. I am your host teacher and I must help you as a little girl. Gosh, old Saturday Night Live cracked me up back in the early 90s when it was still funny. Now it's just hit or miss. Not that I know though, because I haven't watched the show in like a decade at least. Okay. There we go. And then poink. And the last hubcap goes right here. Yay. Okay, so batteries go in here, little contacts, and this should be the battery cover. Cut these things off. Okay, I should cut this off too. This has served its purpose. There. Put that in the trash. Okay, I just grabbed a few batteries. It looks like the positive end goes in here. There. And then the positive end goes in this way. Let's see if this works. It doesn't work. Oh, jeez. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh my. It totally does not work. You know. Oh well, huh? That's just kind of too bad. Oh well, it's probably for the best. Anyhow. This kit is pretty old anyways, I imagine, so I guess I'm not surprised. Don't think I did anything wrong. Probably just an old motor. Oh well. I guess that cuts down on shipping costs to Australia. And then this will go into here, I guess, like this. There. And what? Isn't there a screw or something? Well, maybe not. Okay. Huh. I guess I got it in. Oh well.